episode of Cindy's Kitchen. I'm Cindy.
Hey.
Behind the camera is Michael. And if you can see right in front of Michael down there, there's Teddy and Ginger. And you're my lovey-dovey doggies. So anyway, so today we're going to make white chocolate macadamia cookies. White chocolate macadamia cookies. I can't show you the outside of the bag because I decided to pour it in here. This is the flour, the contents. And I threw the bag out. But again, it's white chocolate macadamia cookies. And it says that you need a stick of butter. And you got to melt it. It's all right there. And it says that you need 1 egg. So we're going to put 1 egg and 1 stick of butter. And then, what are we doing, Michael?
Stir it on, stir it on.
We're going to stir all this together. These are like sticky, those sticky cookies, right, Mike?
Oh, yeah.
See? And they're going to be really nice. And then I have the trays ready. And it says to put the oven on 350, which I am. This is going to be a very, very short. And you see the macadamia, the white chocolate macadamia.
Oh, yeah.
You can see the pieces in there, right?
Oh, yeah.
So this is all you got to do, guys. It's almost all together, yes or no, Mike?
Oh, yeah.
There we are. And then I'm going to take a spoon. That one is too big. I think I want to take a smaller spoon like this. Here we go. And we're going to place them like that. They're going to be like coin-sized cookies. There you go. 2. And I'm going to continue to, you know what I'm saying? Just pour cookie dough on my tray. And I can put another one right there, right, Mike? Yep. See? Make this one a little bit more round.
Oh, yeah.
And just continue to put that cookie dough. It's really nice. And I will be putting it in for, it says 13 minutes. I'm going to make sure that they're all very nice and round. So they're not going to actually look like that. See? These are like size, like quarter size drops that I'm dropping here, you know? You know it's going to get a little bit bigger and kind of like round and stuff like that. That's what I'm looking for. But you know, it's not like I have all that finesse yet. We're like making them real nice and I think I'm going to put a little bit more here. So it looks a little bit better than that. What do you think, Mike? There you go, right?
Oh, yeah.
That doesn't look that bad. And we're going to throw this one in and I'm going to fill the other tray. And then we're going to come right back. Don't forget to subscribe. And you know what to do. And that's 15 minutes. So the timer right here. I'm going to put another tray. So I'm going to put 15 minutes. And there you go. 15 minutes. Don't forget to subscribe. And we'll be right back in 15 minutes. Thanks for coming back. I just took them out because they look like they were going to start like burning a little bit. But they're not. They look really nice. So I'm just going to put them here. So these are our white chocolate macadamia cookies. That's what Michael told me. Michael's like, Mom, just eat it so you don't forget. And I'm like, I won't. So they're a little bit flatter than I will usually bake a cookie. See? But that's because I did something that I shouldn't have done, but I did it. I just put a little bit extra butter. That's why they're like this, but I want them softer and they look beautiful. You know, and they're cookies. Michael, take one and start eating it. So everybody knows these are very hot. So everybody knows how delicious they are. Go ahead. Eat it up, my son. Michael's son, like Daniel's son. Right, Michael? Well, these are thinner cookies.
Very good.
But they're good, right? Exactly. I just wanted to have a little bit more butter so they could be a little bit softer. So here's your white chocolate macadamia cookies. It costs $1.28. And I don't know how many I have here, but 3, 4, 5, like over 10 cookies. And then I have under here, I have 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 more cookies. And then these. So at the end of this video, you'll see all the cookies together. So thanks for watching and thanks for watching and liking another episode of Cindy's Kitchen. In our cookie and dessert that we always have. These are some cookies that I made the other day. And here's our white chocolate macadamia cookies, so you know what to do. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram, on Twitter, on Facebook, on Google Plus, on Pinterest, on what, Mike? I don't know what else. Patreon, if you want to donate $1 or not. And if you want any dog food for your dogs, go to lifeabundance.com/for-all. Click on the link below, and it will take you directly to the website so you can get any treats or outfits or vitamins or dog food for your animals and pets. With that, I'm going to let you guys go. Don't drink and drive. Love you all, and have a great day.